Typical 4th of July celebrations include fireworks, but the fun can quickly turn dangerous without proper safety precautions.
Eyewitness News reporter Ashley Mackey is live in Pomona with some tips to prevent injuries. Ashley.
Giovanna, David, while millions get ready to celebrate America's 250th birthday by stocking up on fireworks, doctors and first responders are preparing as well. They say they're expecting a higher volume of emergency calls specifically related to firework use.
You simply twist this apparatus clockwise or counterclockwise until the bleed stops.
It's a skill doctors hope you never have to use, but every year, doctors and first responders say it's the same. Missing fingers or limbs and severe burns caused by fireworks.
Unfortunately, when there's trauma like this, there's some things that we cannot fix. If you have injury to your eye, loss of a digit because of an explosive that's not legal, this is something that we see yearly, and it's unfortunate because it's all avoidable.
Even in those municipalities in which safe and sane fireworks are legal, remember that safe is a relative term. Sparklers still burn at 1,200 degrees, which is hot enough to burn glass and cause severe injuries.
According to the LA County Fire Department, 90% of firework injuries are caused by legal fireworks. And according to the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, last year, 13,000 people were treated for firework-related injuries in the emergency room.
We have significant extra staffing leading into the 4th of July, and especially the day of, we staff a large number of extra engine companies, especially in areas that we know we're going to see a large volume of fireworks activity. We do everything we can to stand ready for the high volume of calls that we know that we're going to receive.
Dr. Jimenez says when using fireworks, an adult should always be present, and you should refrain from alcohol use. He says you should also make sure to have a bucket of water nearby to douse fireworks once they're done.
Also, it seems like it's common sense, but we see a lot of these things happen where someone lights a firework, it doesn't go off. You go try to relight it, and then that's how we have had dozens of this over the years. Well, I tried to relight it and exploded in my face. You know, I lost a digit, and unfortunately, these are life-altering events.
Both Dr. Jimenez and Captain Caton say if you do sustain an injury like what they've described, the very first thing you should do is call 911 and get the professionals involved. Reporting live in Pomona, Ashley Mackey, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
Ashley, thank you.